Solar energy is powering a cleaner future, and PA Wind and Solar is leading the way in Pennsylvania. Our expertly designed solar systems provide clean, efficient, and reliable energy, helping homeowners and businesses reduce costs and take control of their power. With cutting-edge technology and professional installation, our solutions maximize your energy production, giving you long-term savings and sustainability. At the heart of every system is a high-performance inverter, efficiently converting sunlight into usable energy while ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Since 2006, PA Wind and Solar has delivered top-quality renewable energy solutions with expert service and customer-first reliability. We are committed to helping you achieve energy independence with confidence. Curious about how solar can work for you? Get a free 3D solar evaluation, customized for your home or business today. Visit pawindandsolar.com now and take the first step toward a smarter energy future.